As the part of investigation, as you can see that District Mobile Forensic Unit has reached here and they have collected some samples here outside the lift where the accused robbers had taken that lift and went on the 6th floor where this alleged crime was committed. But they have lifted some forensic evidences from that lift and also from the crime scene, and it is expected those fingerprints which has been obtained from the lift will be tried to match with the forensic evidences gathered from the other crime scenes like Mapsa or Dona Paula. So there may be possibility that these fingerprints may match, but the efforts are to take the clean fingerprints because this use is widely used by the residents. But again, the forensic team has given almost more than 2 hours to collect those evidences, more particularly the fingerprints, and now the next stage would be to match those fingerprints with the database of Goa Police. With Vikram in Vasco, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.